Well, it's a pro-transit protest here going on today. That's all I know. Amalgamated transit, so I don't know what that's all about. But here we are at Allen Gardens, walking through Allen Gardens. It's always good to be front and center of a amalgamated transit protest. I don't know what that's all about, but it's a union thing. That's all I can tell you. And here we are. Wow. A lot of construction going on in this particular area. Okay, wow. It's like a guy like me walking through. Make this a 2-minute video. This is an old church here at Allen Gardens. It's been around for quite a while as I walk toward it. As you can see. I'm in the park now. No, you're not in it. And today is October 1st. It's kind of an overcast, hazy day here as I walk towards Jarvis Street. And that's basically it. So, yeah. I can tell you one thing that I can see, and I'll show it to you in a second, is that along this walkway going on to Jarvis Street, as you can see, the pathway is deteriorated. I'll give you a shot here. There's the walkway down there over to the red. Down here, see that the concrete is just completely shot. See, as you can see, look, I'm going through the walkway, and I don't think this has been done like in about 25 years. So as you can see, the parkway is basically shot, and that hasn't been, there's been no asphalt put on that in probably about 20 years. And there's another shot of how bad the walkway is with the asphalt.